Morning everyone, we are on module 9 of chapter 4, carbon and its compounds. Soaps and detergents. Soaps are long chain sodium or potassium salts of carboxylic acid, example sodium stearate or sodium acetate. If we talk about structure of soap molecule, a soap molecule has two parts, a long hydrocarbon part which is hydrophobic, that is water repelling and soluble in oil and grease, and a short ionic part which is hydrophilic, water attracting or water loving and insoluble in oil and grease. You can see where there is written COO negative Na positive, it is ionic part or water attracting, and the last part is hydrocarbon part, that is water repelling. Cleansing action of soap. When soap is dissolved in water, it forms spherical structures called micelles. In each micelle, the soap molecules are arranged radially such that the HC part, HC means hydrocarbon part, is towards the center and the ionic part is towards the outside. The hydrocarbon part dissolves the dirt, oil and grease and forms an emulsion at the center of the micelles which can be washed away by water. Detergents are long chain sodium salts of sulfonic acids. Soap does not wash well with hard water because it forms insoluble precipitates of calcium and magnesium salts in hard water. Detergent wash well with hard water because it does not form insoluble precipitates of calcium and magnesium salts in hard water. If we talk about differences between soaps and detergent, soaps are sodium salts of fatty acids. Detergents are sodium salts of sulfonic acids. Soap clean well in soft water but do not clean well in hard water. Detergent clean well with both hard and soft water. Soap do not clean as well as detergents. Detergent clean better than soaps. Soaps are biodegradable and do not cause pollution, whereas some detergents are non-biodegradable and cause pollution. So there is a diagram of micelle formation. As I told you that the structure of soap molecule contains two parts, hydrophobic and hydrophilic, or hydrocarbon or ionic part. So hydrocarbon part is always towards the dirt, oil or grease, and the ionic part is away from the oil, dirt or grease. As you know, the hydrocarbon parts get stick to the or get dissolved in the oil, dirt or grease. So when you take out cloth from the soap solution, the dirt remains there and your cloth will get clean. So this is the cleansing action of soap molecule. Thank you.